In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your email in ChatGPT. So make sure to watch this full video to learn how to check your account settings and update your email. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you need to do is come over to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto your profile icon down here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto settings. Once you've got your settings window opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto account, and in here this is where you can change your email. So you can see at the top we've got email, give that a click. And once you've done that, you're going to see a window come up asking you to enter your new email address. What they're going to do is send a verification code as well to confirm the change. So what you would do is enter your new email address and then click the send verification email button. After doing this, what you want to do is check your email, check your junk folders. Sometimes the email does end up there as well. And there should be an email from ChatGPT with a link or code which you'll need to click on to confirm the change and change your email address. So that's how to change email in ChatGPT. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.